Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Will be a tutorial how to fix the screen overlay. So please like that like button, subscribe to the channel, and every two new videos every 2 weeks. So let's play some music. So I want you to download this app. It's called Install Button Unlocker. So what do we need to do? Go to options or target if you want to go to unlock, and then yeah. So guys, there's a little update. I hope that helped you a bit. So yeah, I know that was short, but please join the clan over here. Yes, I play Clash Royale. This is the YouTube account. So yes, please leave a thumbs up of this video, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Peace.